How to do maintenance on a high-pitch tile roof. The tiles on a tile roof crack and break easily if not maintained, waterproofed and protected with paint, properly. It is more so with cement tiles. As soon as the protective paint weighs down, the roof is vulnerable to the elements. Water is absorbed and the tiles perish. The tiles will fail, water will enter the roof and accumulate as moisture, damp. This is when timber starts to rot and mold grows. Rotting timber is the cause of the roof structure to fail, the roof will collapse. Mold will lead to the occupants falling ill. Here we find a classic situation where roof maintenance and waterproofing is left for too long, which lead to the cement filling on the ridge to separate. Water will enter the roof and damage will happen. Work to be done. The roof needs to be cleaned of all dust and debris by means of a high-power hose. Damaged and cracked roof tiles must be replaced. Waterproofing on the roof ridge, flashing and valleys must be done properly. Use quality UV-resistant paint to seal the entire roof. Tile roofs that are properly waterproofed and painted lend aesthetics to the property. With roof repairs, waterproofed and painting of the roof properly done, the occupants can rest assured that they are protected against the elements. A 5-year guarantee certificate on the material and workmanship is issued by Tremco. Visit site https://tremco.co.za or call 07327082270.